What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on REP Augur, which has pumped up another 115% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $3.10. So yes, I did make a video yesterday saying Augur might be able to hit the $5 mark soon, and as you guys can see, it's getting very close guys. Yesterday it was trading at around just about $1.60, $1.50, and right now has more than doubled its value in a space of 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash anytime soon? Again, it is a scary time to invest into it, only because it's pumped up so much, so but it does have the chance to crash down as well to about $2 or even below that. So yes, a lot of people have been asking me where is it heading to next. That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at its prediction and also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. If it's worth buying it right now, is it too late, should you sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just about a percentage in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, most top cryptos are down, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. However, REP has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list, gaining over 120%. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 8%, which is quite huge, especially within an hour. Over the last day, clearly 124%. Over the week, 35% guys. We've seen quite of a drop here earlier on in the week, and over the month it is still 36% down. So as guys can see, they did go for a major drop in value late June, early July, and all up until about a couple of days ago. Even on the 18th of July, it was still dropping in value, all up until yesterday, where it slowly started to pump up in value, and it's still ongoing right now. So yes, it is likely to slowly and steadily keep going up in value to about $45 over the coming days as well. So on the short term, yes, it looks all good. So not short term, sorry, on the graph, on the hourly and daily graph, it looks like it's been performing very well, it's doing good and so on. But when you zoom out a little bit, go down to the monthly chart, we can see the reality on how much it has dropped. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 400%, making it $43 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on REP. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype, as it has been in the top gainers list since yesterday. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of REP, which is here in purple at $2.41. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $2.91, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is slightly starting to drop, as you can see, going towards the negative direction. Only reason for that is the drop that's taking place as I'm recording this video. It's gone from $3.35 down to about $2.92 and even $2.47 in the last half an hour as I'm recording the video. As you can see, it's dropping down to $2.68 right now. So the graph thinks, as you can see, the blue line has also dropped down towards a negative direction. But again, this is, I wouldn't say it's dropping. Yes, it is dropping right now, but over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting REP to be trading around $3.60 to $3.70, somewhere in between there. Again, drops are always part of the process. We do see red candles in between, but again, as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. So yes, do expect little dips in between, just like what's happening right now, but the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days looking slightly bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning increases in value are expected from REP over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting REP to have gone through an increase in value, potentially trading over the $4 mark is what I'm expecting in a week's time. And again, guys, that doesn't mean it's going to go for a major increase or a major pump or anything like that. It is likely to be a minimal increase in value over the next 7 to 8 days. Do expect red days in between, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes, do expect an overall increase in value from REP over the next 7 to 8 days, heading over the $4 mark. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, we've got blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected over the next 6 to 8 weeks from Augur. So let's say early to mid September 2023, I'm expecting this crypto to have gone for an overall increase in value, and at this point we should be trading over the $6 mark is what my predictions are at the moment. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, so it depends on that. You know, Bitcoin, if it drops down to 20k, we're going to see major drops. If it bumps up to 35, 40, 45k, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, which hopefully happens. I have seen news that say, you know, the bull run is about to start in 2023 for the crypto market and Bitcoin to be specific. So hopefully we see more green candles, not just on REP or Bitcoin, but the crypto market in general. And hopefully REP should be able to hit the $6 mark by September 2023, and towards the very end of the year we should be heading upwards to the $10 mark. But again, I'm not saying it's going to hit $10, but heading towards that target is what my predictions are. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on REP, guys. There's been a lot of hype around it, a lot of people talking about it, a lot of attention, and a lot of you guys have asked me to make another update on this crypto, which I have done. Comment down below your predictions. When is it likely to hit $10? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.